Machine learning is transforming industries, but managing models at scale is a challenge. Enter MLOps, the practice that bridges the gap between data science and operations. It's revolutionizing how we deploy and maintain AI solutions. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well-Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Why is MLOps crucial? It ensures that machine learning models are scalable, reliable, and efficient. By integrating development and operations, MLOps enables continuous delivery and integration of AI models. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, offers robust tools for machine learning. With its scalable infrastructure and advanced AI services, GCP supports seamless MLOps integration, making it a top choice for businesses. GCP's unique features, like AI Hub and AutoML, simplify the MLOps process. These tools provide pre-trained models and automated workflows, enhancing productivity and reducing time to market. Ready to build your first model on GCP? Start by accessing AI Platform, where you can train models using TensorFlow or other frameworks. It's a straightforward process with comprehensive support. During the build phase, leverage GCP's BigQuery for data analysis and cloud storage for data management. These tools ensure your model is built on a solid foundation. Deploying models on GCP is seamless. Use AI Platform's deployment services to manage versions and scale effortlessly. This ensures your models are always up to date and reliable. Understand deployment strategies like canary releases and blue-green deployments. These techniques minimize risk and ensure smooth transitions, keeping your AI solutions robust. Scaling models efficiently is key to success. GCP's Kubernetes, engine, and cloud functions provide the flexibility to handle increased demand without compromising performance. GCP supports large-scale deployments with its global network and advanced load balancing. This infrastructure ensures your AI solutions are always available and responsive. Monitoring model performance is crucial for long-term success. Use GCP's Stack Driver for real-time insights and alerts, ensuring your models perform optimally. Regular maintenance keeps models relevant. Implement automated retraining and updates to adapt to new data, maintaining accuracy and efficiency over time. MLOps on GCP comes with challenges. Common issues include data drift and model decay. Identifying these early is key to maintaining model integrity. Troubleshooting is part of the process. Use GCP's diagnostic tools to optimize workflows and resolve issues quickly, ensuring smooth operations. Let's recap. We've explored building, deploying, and scaling models on GCP. Each step is crucial for successful MLOps, ensuring your AI solutions are effective and reliable. By embracing MLOps on GCP, you'll streamline your AI processes and drive innovation. It's time to start your MLOps journey and transform your business with scalable AI solutions. Ready to take action? Begin by exploring GCP's MLOps tools and resources. Dive into tutorials and start building your first model today. The future of AI is in your hands. Join the MLOps community to share insights and learn from others. Collaboration accelerates growth and innovation, helping you stay ahead in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Remember, MLOps is a journey, not a destination. Continuously refine your processes and embrace new technologies to keep your AI solutions at the forefront. Take the first step today. Explore GCP's offerings and start your MLOps journey. Together, we can harness the power of AI to drive success and innovation.